Hope you're doing good. Micah back with another video. Back here to talk about the updates that Samsung pushed out throughout the month of June. Today is July 2nd. This video was supposed to go out yesterday. Couldn't get to it. So we're getting to it now. One thing or two things that we still haven't seen in this month of, well, one thing we haven't seen in June, one thing we haven't seen in July, is we have not received the Google Play system update yet for June on the devices. That has not actually dropped yet for any devices, including the Pixel devices. And being July 2nd, Samsung has not pushed out the July security patch or July monthly update for the device. So today we're just getting into all of the apps that Samsung updated for us, and I'm going to show you guys that by means of screenshots because of course I updated everything. And so my last couple updates I won't show you guys because those are June updates. 1, 2, 3. So what we're going to do is jump in here. And the first update was around June 14th. Samsung updated the Samsung account, the multi-control feature, and the calculator app. And usually if they don't have the description, that means it was just general bugs and improvements, nothing really big for them to have to highlight or discuss in terms of the update. And so that's what we got here. This next update was a Galaxy wearable device. So those who rock with Samsung Galaxy watches and earbuds, those got updated via the Galaxy wearable app itself got updates. And I can probably guess that they probably also updated this in preparation for the new Samsung Smart Ring that will be dropping this month, July 10th. I think it's going to be officially unveiled alongside the flip and foldable devices, as well as new Galaxy watches and earbuds. So this update probably is addressing all of those new features or those new devices that will be heading to our pockets very soon. The next update was Samsung Wallet also getting updated, probably also being optimized for those new devices on the horizon. So that way there's nice, smooth, fluid transition from your old device to your new device using Samsung Wallet and the new technologies that's built within the new hardware coming in a few days. Samsung members, the wallet digital key and the digital key, like framework or whatever, that was all updated, meaning that they're probably, of course, improving the security and functionality of the apps and the features, and probably getting ready to add some more digital keys to the app so that way you can use it. You know, Tesla has digital keys. A lot of higher end vehicles have digital keys accessible to be able to access the car and to even activate certain features within the car from your phone or from your device from an app. So good to see that Samsung is keeping these things updated as well. Swipe over, that's not that. Samsung's core services was improved, as well as Samsung's smart switch that was updated. We know why, again, because we're about to have a lot of new devices coming and they need to be prepped and ready to transfer data from our old devices to the new Flip 6, Fold 6, and maybe Fold 6 Ultra or Fold 6 Lite. That might be in the mix, transferring data. We need that to stay properly updated. And if we want to see what the Samsung services are, we see that it's minor bug fixes and app stability and reliability improvements. So good to see that Samsung gave us a reason why they upgraded or updated their core services app. And then if you guys want to see here, I'm not going to talk about all these. They are doing a good job of keeping all of the language packs updated. With Galaxy AI, there's a lot of different language translations and interpretations that Samsung is able to use via their Galaxy AI, the Galaxy Translate and Interpreter app or feature. And so keeping these language packs updated makes it so much easier and so much more fluid to be able to interact with people of different languages, so that way we can still maintain conversation with no language barriers. We also have Samsung Wallet itself that got another update, as well as the theme park within Good Lock. And this update, as you guys can see, it says that the code updated to support WinUI 6.1.1 bug fix for app icons transparency issue, improve quick panel color, stability improvements, and other minor bug fixes. And then I couldn't remember if that was the newest one or not. Fix an app crash when creating an icon pack, and fix minor bugs that an apply color error. So we see those being updated and fixed and addressed by Samsung. We also see the tips and the Samsung checkout was updated. And of course, you need this to be updated to add the new devices coming here in July, and the tips to add more and new tips to be ready for those new devices drop, such as the Fold 6, Flip 6, Galaxy Watch, 7, or the potential Ultra model that they might be having, which to me looks nice. I guess you can argue it looks like the Apple Watch Ultra, but I still think it's going to be a very, very neat and cool looking watch, and I might try and grab. But the tips had to be updated to account for these new devices. And then we have our good lock quick, I think this quick star, but support hiding mobile hotspot icon, improved app stability, support the change of format of the date displayed on the indicator clock for One UI 6.1 specifically, change the way to connect theme park One UI 6.0 and higher, and then of course please install the latest version of the theme park, stabilize, quick settings, instant access. So good luck seeing a few upgrades to the modules. I'm glad that those are very stable, that we don't see too many updates come to them, because they really work very, very well as they are now. And then the voice recorder also received bug fixes, being specific there, which is what I'd like to see. What else do we have? We have nearby device scanning, stability and bug fixes, support Galaxy Ring device and new wearable. So as we see right here, they just outright tell us that near device scanning is being upgraded or updated to include the Galaxy Ring, meaning we're going to hear about that on July 10th, and the new wearables such as the Galaxy Watches and the new Galaxy Buds. Those are all going to be accessible and to be located with near device scanning. Basically Bluetooth, right? Find My Mobile is also addressing that. Samsung Health is probably going to be adding some new health features with the new Galaxy Watches, the Galaxy Ring, of course, being able to do a lot of tracking with fitness and sleep. So Samsung Health has to be updated, as we see, compete against your past running results to try beating your previous times, and crop exercises after you finish to remove any unnecessary time at the beginning or the end. Now, what's interesting about that specific add-on is that Apple added that to their fitness when it comes to workouts. So it's interesting to see Samsung Health follow suit by adding that to theirs as well. You now have more options for settings, your daily activity targets. If you don't really use step goals, change to floors climbed or active hours instead. And then we also have when you log, I'm sorry, I'm reading this behind the screen. When you log, your menstrual cycle options you've used frequently will appear at the top of the screen. Also, set custom modes if your default options don't do so. So there's some there for Samsung Health. And then with one hand operation, a good lock module. Let's see, One UI 6.1.1 support, add, minimize pop-up window feature, bug fixes, and stability improvements. So it's good to see that Good Lock is getting some additional love here, as well as Samsung's main core apps, because again, we're getting ready for new devices around July 10th. And then we have, now where are we at in the stream of things? I think this one is July. So we're going to stop here. Well, I don't mind showing you guys. July 1st, we got secure Wi-Fi, gaming hub, Samsung Cloud. They're all being updated, and again, probably getting ramped up and ready for the new devices. And then we have Samsung checkout with another update that happened today, I believe, or yesterday. And then today, Samsung came back addressing and updating some more of the language packs. Not the same length as before. You guys see, it's not as long as the previous language pack screenshot. Those are all the screenshots available for the apps that were updated via the Galaxy Store for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. For me, I'm going to try to get as many. I really don't have too many other videos. I'll probably have one more review up, and the efforts and the goal is to finally move on from the Galaxy S24 Plus to the Fold. That is the goal and the plan. We'll see if we can get that done, and then from there going on out, updates about Samsung's ecosystem will be ran through the Fold 6 on this channel. So stay on the lookout for that. Hopefully this video helped you to remember to go and update your apps via the Galaxy Store. It's very easy to forget about the Galaxy Store. It's right here, right next to my Play Store on my home page. So all I gotta do is click there, and then see, Look at that. Even the Galaxy Store itself has an update, and I guarantee this is also to improve and optimize to get ready for the new devices to be able to access the Galaxy Store. And now upon opening it, after it's installed, you can come in like that. I always hit that one. Or what you can do is press and hold and click on update apps there at the top. That's what I like clicking on. Takes me straight to the apps, and then I press back and I'm done. I do the same with the Play Store as well. Press and hold my apps. It's searching for updates. There's one. I hit update all, and then I come and check it, and it's Threads. So if you don't remember to check your updates for the Play Store, remember to check the updates for the Galaxy Store, because that's where you're going to get your primary or your Samsung apps prioritized is via the Galaxy Store app. So let me know down in the comment section below how you guys are rocking so far with your updates. Do you update often? Do you wait to just update all in bulk? Do you wait? Do you do a monthly or a weekly, roundup of updates, or do you update as often as possible on an everyday basis like I do? The comment section is open for discussion. But again, as always, you guys haven't already, make sure to ignite the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, so all free that way some videos, so you and I can sit back, check, see what's cracking. And don't forget to hit that super things button down there, but a like and dislike button. Cash App and PayPal, and check the channel out for all the videos available to you. That's a way to keep tech fresh and alive on this channel. So Micah signing out, and until the next video. Are we ready for that Samsung Galaxy Smart? Wait,